This sensational 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500 is backed by GM's 100,000-mile, 5-year powertrain limited warranty. It's equipped with a responsive 5.3 L V8 engine, a smooth-shifting automatic transmission, has 4WD, and has only 35,899 miles. Its electronic and entertainment features include RDS audio system with satellite and CD player. CD player reads MP3, 6-speaker or speakers, and steering wheel mounted remote audio controls. It also gets an estimated 20 miles per gallon on the highway, and 15 in the city. For your comfort, this truck short crew cab has online information system and air conditioning with rear outlet. Some of the safety features on this vehicle include driver front airbag with multi-stage deployment, passenger front airbag with occupant sensors and multi-stage deployment. All GM certified vehicles pass a rigorous 117-point inspection and reconditioning process, to ensure that you can drive away with no worries. Call or come by today to arrange a test drive.
Bergstrom Chevy Cadillac of Appleton is located at 2245 West College Avenue, right next to the viaduct in Appleton. This vehicle won't be here long, so call our professional sales staff today to schedule an appointment.